I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
So, what's up mga kater? So, ito, may dumating tayo si Ma'am Cathy from Antipolo po si Ma'am. Dumayo din sa ating shop. So, full accessories yung kinabit natin. Lahat ng mga order ni Ma'am. So, na-cater natin lahat. Pati Underglow. So, watch out na lang kayo. Ipopost namin yung ilaw sa yung video, yung aming drone shot. So, konting thank you lang tayo. Hindi tayo ng thank you kay Ma'am. So, bigay ng tip pa si Ma'am sa mga, yan, mga nasa likod dyan, Ma'am. Bigay tayo ng tip si Sir. Ma'am, thank you so much po, Ma'am.
Thank you, Black Ops. God bless po.
Season bully, Ma'am. So, kung kailangan po yung accessories, tiyan lang po kami. Okay, Ma'am. Thank you so much po.
It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I